What's up, guys? This is going to be a really short video of my DT Swiss 350 hub upgrade and sound comparison. When I bought my wheels back in January, I knew the DT Swiss hubs were good hubs, but I really didn't pay attention to the degrees or teeth in the hub engagement. I knew that the Industry 9 hubs were crazy when it came to the engagements, but I wasn't ready to spend that kind of money on hubs. My previous wheels were Mavic Crossmax Pros. They had about 48 teeth of engagement, which isn't too bad. My new DT Swiss 350 hubs only have 18 teeth. Once I jumped on my new wheels, I noticed right away the difference in the hubs. I had a lot more play in my cranks and hubs. I just figured, oh well, save my money and buy new hubs in the future. A few weeks ago, a buddy told me he upgraded his Swiss hubs from 18 teeth to 54 teeth. I said, "You can do that?" I had no idea. A quick search and bam, $100 later, my 54 tooth ratchet was on his way for the new hubs. The installation was super easy on my SRAM drivetrain. Remove the wheel from the bike, pull the cassette straight up, and there are the ratchets. No tools needed. Remove old, grease the new, and replace. So basically, I just found a place where it wouldn't hurt the brake rotor, where it's elevated. Put a knee and a foot down, and this just really slid right off with barely any effort. And you can see right there, that's the piece you're going to change. Probably the best and most value upgrade for hubs around, for the DT Swiss hubs. As you can see here, the visual difference in the 18 versus 54 teeth. So here's a quick sound comparison of the 18 versus 54. Here's the 18. Now here's the 54. So for $100, this is definitely a no-brainer if you want to upgrade your DT Swiss hubs from the stock 18 teeth to the 54 teeth. Hope you enjoyed. Also, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks, guys.